My name is David Go. I'm a student from SPH Sentul, currently in diploma program and in grade 11. This presentation is about my artwork Space Jesus and Viewpoints. So, the, as the title said, Space Jesus, it is related to Jesus and the space. I combined the idea of a galaxy that is so big and endless, and Jesus' care and love to us that can't be measured. The artwork is made of enamel paint and stencil. The overall result for me is perfect, and the message could be seen directly. I use gold and silver color on Jesus to symbolize that he is a precious person, a higher being than us. For the process for this artwork, I started by searching an image of Jesus that I edited by using Adobe Photoshop, starting from changing the color, posterizing it, changing the brightness and contrast. After I print it, I cut it to create the template for the stencil. After that, I started working on the canvas and mixed the enamel paint with the pigment to search the right color for the galaxy. It took a lot of time for me since that was my first time using enamel paint to create a detailed artwork. After I finished the background, I started to work on the color for the stencil and I decided to use the color of gold and silver. But when I finished, I felt that the background is too empty, so I decided to create some kind of thin circular color of gold. Seeing the end result, I was satisfied, but I felt that this artwork could be developed further, so I did. I come up with these 3 new artwork, and each of them are basically my original idea. These 3 new artwork is the medium is digital editing. The background of each artwork is the result of my photography from my previous class, and the Jesus is actually the stencil of Jesus that I scanned and inputted into the artwork from this stencil is the one I used from the previous one for the Space Jesus. The background for the first one, as I decided, has to be a colorful color. But then I thought more thoroughly and come up with another idea. I decided to edit a picture of a slum area in Indonesia to an interesting image. This slum area is actually a place where I visited for my field trip during grade 10. For the second one, the background is a line artwork that I created from my art class from the previous quarter. I decided that the color should be the same as my Space Jesus, because I want to try to train my ability to use digital editing for this. I started by changing the color of the flower into a darker one and add some purple to it and blue. The third one is from the photography class from grade 10. I decided to change the brightness, contrast, and add some filters to it. For this one, I want to slightly change the Jesus, because my previous 2 artwork is all symmetrical and only one image of Jesus. For this one, I decided to copy the Jesus into 4 and spread it around. But after finishing these 3 artwork, I still feel unsatisfied with the result of my artwork, that I decided to make another extension of the artwork. The extension is another digital editing, but I try to develop it further and create an animation out of the Jesus stencil. It took a lot of my time and effort to be able to complete this one. I never create an animation, or to be more specific, a GIF, by using Adobe Photoshop. I tried a lot of filter, color, changing the hue and saturation, contrast, etc. The hardest part is when I try to edit the color one by one, and because of that, because of trying to create a lot of color changes, in the end, the layer reached to 30 slides to be able to create this one artwork. So that is all. Thank you for listening.